Hi there, this is a video on how to replace a cylinder on an SHP-DS510 Samsung digital door lock. What we'll do is we'll take the front out. We have the original cylinder installed here. As you can see, these are the keys for it. But assuming that you lose the keys and that you need to replace the cylinder, all you have to do is move the cable away, take this small sticker out. You can see this screw here. That's just a little bit closer. There you go. And then just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Loosen the screw. Recommend using a hand screwdriver for this instead of a power drill. That's the cylinder. That's the original. This is the new cylinder that we're going to put in here. We'll just put the new cylinder in. We'll get the screw that we've got. It's still attached to our magnetic screwdriver here. Secure the cylinder in place. It doesn't have to be too tight. Give it a good quarter turn once it's in there. And there you go. That's the replacement for the cylinder.